Alright, this is the highlight video from thegreatstockpicks.com live trading chat room from Wednesday. Now, the afternoon, we gave a lot of warnings about how sketchy it can be on Fed announcement days, and I think Bernanke was even doing a Q&A. Never a great time to trade. So the money to be made was in the morning. Tried to stay focused, and actually called one within the first 5 minutes. I saw this volume spike right here. These are 5-minute candles. This was the opening 5-minute candle for HSOL. I glanced at the daily and loved it in conjunction with this early spike. Called it a 563 if it got there, with a 553 stop. As I scrolled to the right, just off to the races, and ended up going, well, you can see here, to 614. Very, very nice percentage move. Go back to fives. Very, very nice percentage move, and even revisited 614 later in the day on only a dime risk. SPRD was also an early call. I called it at 1322. Basically right up in this area. Got a quick 10-minute move up to 1368. So very nice. It doesn't look big, but whenever you can get a move within the next 5 or 10 minutes, and that's what we try to do, is find stuff that when we call it is going to work right away, so there's no sitting around waiting. Most of what, well, I should say everything we do really is expected to have a pretty quick feedback. In other words, expected to work pretty quickly, or we'll try to get out flat or for a very small loss. BKS met our, as you've heard me talk about before, our potential final push down parameters. I love this little push down after it was already grinding down. These are 5-minute candles, and called it long. Right there on that green candle at 1836, and again, not a huge move, but it pretty quickly went to 1870. So about a 34 cent move in our favor on a dime risk. The stop was at the low of the day, so the buy was above this little narrow candle right there. Stop was below, and you know what? Even back here, the stop held. Although I don't hold through this, I'm selling into a pop because I like to get the quick money, tighten the stop. If it runs all day, great. We can scale out. If it doesn't, we're still paying ourselves along the way. So that's some highlights from today. And like I said, the afternoon, I did attempt a couple calls, and there was just no follow through. Some members played WLL on my idea right above this candle here. I was looking for 54.51. Don't want to sound like I'm a genius though, because after it went sideways for 2 more candles, I canceled the idea. I said I don't trust it as much now, and then look what happens. So several of our members took it at 54.51 anyway, and a quick move over the next 30 minutes to 55.15, and a very tight stop right below these candles. So it just goes to show some of our members are much smarter than I am. And that's what I have for the day. Again, the afternoon, I do not like trading Fed afternoons at all. May send out a free pick tonight. I know we're overdue for one. So until then, if not, we'll still have a wrap-up video or a highlight video from Thursday's trading on Thursday night. Talk to you later and have a great night.